What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Ron. We back again with another video. Today's video gonna be a little bit different, man. Today gonna be a little bit different. My deal with this video is y'all can't go outside the way y'all want to. At least not like you can in Atlanta and in places like this, where people are still outside, they walking around without masks, y'all stuck in the house, you know what I mean? Or at least not going to places like this. They shutting all that shit down. So what people do is they go out and they make these videos. A dude named Whip Addicts, I don't know who this is, like Burt Boy 314. He basically makes these videos where he goes to these car shows, he goes to these events, he sits outside of clubs and he films it. Well, basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and react to some of these videos, show y'all some of the stuff that I like, that I see. Like this whip right here, it's a very beautiful whip. Very Mexican, you know what I mean? But them rims is trash. Wheels are trash, but I see what he was trying to do. You understand what I'm saying? DJ Khaled. The Colors is a St. Louis classic, man. St. Louis classic, the 442, man. If you was around, you know what I'm saying, in the car scene in St. Louis in the early 2000s, you know what I mean? You know how hard these went. The Colors went crazy, man. Everybody and their mama wanted the Colors. He's sitting on some nice rims. The truck is hard. I appreciate the green. I don't fuck with that spiky shit, though. I see it a lot on trucks. Some people put them on cars. I don't understand where that comes from. That's not a St. Louis thing. I think that comes from like the South. I don't really get it, but the paint is hard. The truck is hard. The rims is hard. They 4Gs. You need to spend the 200, spend the 250 on the spinning caps, bro. If you got 4Gs, spend the 250 on the spinning caps, man. Quit bullshitting. Quit bullshitting. What we got? Hate the gold and the chrome. I hate when people mix gold and chrome. I'm not hating, it's just my preference. Maybe you appreciate it. I never liked it. What I think of is like the old like Cadillacs and cars like that where they used to throw the gold, they mix the gold emblem with the chrome or the silver. I hate that shit. It's the worst. That motor is clean. And they got AC. Clean motor with AC. A lot of people don't have that, man. If you got a nice motor in your whip and it's an old school, you probably got the motor with no AC, no heat, man. Sweating and fucking freezing at the same time. 4G autos. Nice rims. I like those rims. I see the brakes in the background. Buddy spent some money on the brakes and the wheels, man. Brakes and the wheels. Spend the $250 for the floating caps. Sunroof is amazing. Interior, very grandpa. Very brown, trash color. You should have went harder with the color on the inside. But that trunk is crazy. That trunk is crazy. I'm thinking those are 215s. And he might have something on it up under that too, but I'm sure that lights up at nighttime. He got the DD. I forgot what the name of that company is, but I'm aware. I know who they are. Them things hit hard. Them things definitely hit hard. Got the nice diamond cut grill on it. He doing it. You know what I mean? He doing it. He clean. This guy. He did it. I'm sure he got that car just like that. Because the amount of work they got done to it, I'm sure he bought that mug just like that. He bought it like that, got some wheels on it, probably fixed the top up. All blue. He said, fuck it. We just gonna have a blue whip today. You know what I mean? It's gonna be blue, blue, blue. Inside blue, outside blue, the wheels is blue, the paint is blue, the license plate got some blue on it. He just blew it out. You feel me? Blue, blue, blue. Wheels is trash, by the way. Don't ever get these wheels and think you shouldn't. Because niggas gonna look, but they gonna be like, man, there's some ugly ass wheels when you drive past. 4Gs, nice, something different. I like the spokes on them. I like the space in the gap. Easy to clean. You dig what I'm saying? All ass, sundress. You know, that's what you gotta love about the South, man. You gotta love the South, man. Look at the weather. It's December. It's either December or November. This video is no longer than a month old. No longer than 2-3 weeks old, man. The all-white Brougham, man. All-white Brougham. If you remember back in the day, the photo, you know what I'm saying? With the 24s, you know. Check the grill. Check the grill. It's different versions of the mugs though, but check the grill. The rims is amazing. They 4Gs. Once again, spend the $250 for the floaters, man. Spend the $250 for the floaters. It's not that hard, y'all. They're like, that's a 70-something. I see the Cadillac emblem. Buddy got some kind of like exotic stitching up in there. That's clean. He Puerto Rican or from Texas. Either Puerto Rican or from Texas. I'm not sure what that flag is. The rims is nice, man. Look at those wheels, man. Very simple, very easy to clean. You go to the car wash, you can wash them. It's 5 spokes. You got 5 spokes to clean. Carbureted motor, but he got the nice blocking. I'm assuming that's a 350 of some sort. Might have some extra things up in there, you know what I mean? But it's clean, man. That's definitely a Chevy. I said Cadillac, that's definitely a Chevy. That's definitely a Chevy. 5 spoke, easy wheels to clean. Did not upgrade the brakes. The brakes look like they're the regular brakes. I'm sure Buddy probably got some drums on the back. If you drive fast, just watch out. Do not let this man do a donut. Don't let this man do a donut in front of you. You know what I mean? Interior's nice. The headliner, peep the headline on these cars. The 70s, the 80s, shit, probably some of the 90s. Their headliner is falling down, and they are not giving a damn about what's going on, man. It will be raining on you the entire time you're riding this whip. Do not ride with the windows down. It will be confetti all through that bitch. Very nice steering wheel. Very nice steering wheel. Rims, I like them, but I would never do them myself. Probably gonna be very complicated to clean. Look at them. What I say? Am I right? What I say? Look at this nigga. He cannot keep them wheels clean, man. That's too much detail for them wheels. But that's a very ugly whip, very trash. I'm thinking that's some kind of like Cutlass of some sort. The lights are hard. I've never seen those before. But he got the red with the gold with the chrome. Gold and chrome does not go together. But those lights are some shit I ain't never seen before. 5.7. I'm guessing Buddy might have like a Hemi motor up in that mug. Ain't no telling. Wheels are decent. It's ugly. It's really ugly. I don't fuck with it. But the color's nice. But go with that gold and chrome shit, man. Nobody likes that. Once again, gold and chrome. Gold and chrome, man. It don't go together, bro. But it's a nice color, nice cranberry, you know, brandy wine, if you will. Two-door. Tons of people outside, man. Buddy is sweating his ass off. You know, drum brakes on the back, did not upgrade. Once again, do not let that man do a donut in front of you. You know what I mean? Do not let him burn rubber in front of you. He will knock everybody out in the crowd. What we got? I think that's either like an Impala or some kind of like, it's either an Impala or something else. Those wheels are trash though. I don't know what those are, but I don't like the cuts on those. Once again, go with the chrome, man. Stop that shit. And there you have it, man. Another video. I hope y'all appreciate what I'm trying to do. If you like this video, let me know. Please leave a comment, share it. Please subscribe. This is my first time doing this, so it might be a little wonky. I think I'm gonna set the camera up a little bit different, man. Have the views a little bit better, and you know, try to figure it out. But I like this concept, man, of these type of videos, because they have a lot of them where it's outside the clubs, and it's just people walking by, people that looking good, you know what I mean? You got the cars looking good, people looking like money, people trying to enjoy themselves, and shit, man, I miss that. I miss being able to go to the club, miss being out, just people watching and shit like that. And it's an opportunity to people watch and commentate with your boy, man. So once again, like, comment, and subscribe. Shit, do you.